Enjoy your wet mountain mushroom countertop grow kit to the fullest with these 5 simple instructions for cultivating big, beautiful gourmet mushrooms at home. Firstly, ensure you cut the bag in the correct location, as the placement depends on the type of mushroom you've chosen. For instance, if you've opted for a lion's mane grow kit, carefully make a small X-shaped slice towards the top of the bag, as demonstrated in the accompanying video. Avoid cutting a large X, as this may dry out your mycelium block. Alternatively, if you selected a top fruiting mushroom like our King Trumpet grow kit, unroll the bag and cut off the entire top, leaving about 2 to 3 inches above the mycelium block, as illustrated in the provided video. It's important not to remove the larger white Primordia mycelium pieces when cleaning the sides of the bag to remove loose sawdust, as your King Trumpet mushrooms will grow over the top. Once you've made the necessary cuts, your mycelium block requires water to kickstart the fruiting process. For lion's mane grow kits, lightly spray the newly exposed area with water and be cautious not to oversaturate, unless the mushroom block is excessively dry upon opening. For King Trumpet grow kits, do not spray the white Primordia mycelium layer directly with water, as it will cause contamination. Just spray the humidity bag with water to keep levels high. Place your grow kit in a humidity bag and mist the dome of the bag with water to prevent drying out. Twice daily, open the bag to facilitate fresh air exchange and spray the kit to maintain high humidity. As your mushrooms grow, focus on spraying water on the sides of the bag rather than directly on the mushrooms to prevent contamination. For lion's mane mushrooms, you will know it's ready for harvest when it starts looking toothy or hairy like a lion's mane. At this time, simply twist and gently pull to remove. Spray that area of the block with water and return it to the humidity bag to start growing another lion's mane mushroom that will start appearing in a few short days. For King Trumpet mushrooms, you will know they are ready for harvest when the caps turn upward and show their gills. Remove the large mushrooms, either by twisting and pulling or using a knife to cut that mushroom towards the bottom of the base. Make sure you do not disturb the little mushrooms or the white Primordia layer on the top of the block. During harvest, return your grow kit to the humidity bag and continue with daily airing and watering of the sides of the humidity bag to ensure a successful second flush. Repeat these steps to maximize the number of flushes from your wet mountain mushroom grow kit and enjoy your amazing new superfood dishes.